Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Naturally Raw Hair and Beauty. I hope everybody is staying safe during this quarantine time. I know it's probably rough for everybody out there, and some maybe not. Shout out to the essential workers. Y'all do y'all thing. Let me get straight into this video. Unlike me, I'm not I'm not in the salon, so please y'all, I miss my clients. I miss y'all. So, but anyway, let me get straight into this video. This video I am doing the Goddess Box Braids. I have using Easy Professional braiding hair 1B and Easy Professional deep wave 1B, and this is the small size Goddess Box Braids I am doing. And as I go, this is a really easy style, and it's definitely a 6 to 8 week protected style. As you can see, your hair is short, so this style will very much last for her a very good while, a very long time. If y'all want to check out my website inquiring about this style, please don't hesitate to go to rosenaturalhairstudio.com. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please leave me a thumbs up and a like to my channel if you like this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I love taking questions. If you like this video, one more time, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your family and friends about my Goddess Box Braids. And if y'all want to know about the products and the hair I use, I will definitely leave in the description. Also, I will leave my website in the description, rosenaturalhairstudio.com. If you want to love to inquire about appointment, I will start taking appointments starting May 1st. Just let me know. Don't forget to book your appointment. That's the only way I will be able to see y'all. Until next time, guys, be safe. Don't forget to wear your mask. Don't forget to sanitize. Don't forget to practice social distance. Until next time, guys, peace out. Be safe. God be the glory. We all able to get over this pandemic. But keep on watching till the end of the video and you see my finishing touch. This is a gorgeous style, wonderful style, easy style, protected style. It will last up 6 to 7 weeks, 6 to 8 weeks. Until then, guys, peace out.